Hello guys and welcome back to a new video with me, and today's video is gonna be a kurti haul. As you all can see my title, and this haul is not basically from a app or a market. I have shopped a lot of kurtis for me and my mother these months, and from different places, because I love to hop here and there in matters of shopping. And yes, I didn't apply any makeup because recently I said y'all that I was facing acne issues, and recently it has cured a lot due to the dermatologist. Still I am having some over here and it's curing, so I am sitting simple without makeup. And this kurti which I'm wearing is from a local shop, so I don't have any link to provide. For those who don't know me, my name is Shweta and I'm a cabin crew, and I make videos related to cabin crew lifestyle and other exciting videos like makeups and hauls. New to my channel, kindly please subscribe and press the bell icon, and please give a thumbs up if you like my videos. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. As I will show you, this is the bag of all the kurtis which I have purchased, and few इसमें से मैंने कुछ कुछ पहन के भी देख लिया है. If I have brought anything from online apps or shopping places, so I'll give the link over that and also the picture over here. So guys, the first kurti which I'll show you is this pink sort of pastel color, and it's not a chikankari kurta, but here there's a thread working till here and there's piping given at the sides of the kurta. It also has a good detailing in the hand and it's lovely. It's very soft and very comfortable, especially for wearing in colleges and job places where you stay for more than 3 to 4 hours. You'll not even feel that it's itchy or something. It's very nice, and I have got this from Big Bazaar recently and it has costed me 600. Yes, the price is quite huge, you may feel, for this kurti, but if you wear it you will be in love this. So I am recently very obsessed with ethnic dresses and kurtas, तो मैंने ये ले ली और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. So मैं इसका कोई लिंक या फोटो नहीं दे सकती हूँ because it's from Big Bazaar, and if I really get a photo of this I'll show you. So now comes the next kurta is this. It is having a work at the side of gota patti over here in this side and in the borders of the kurta lining, and in the hand as well it is having a work like this, and these all are fabric prints, and it's having a very nice detailing over the neck. So I'm in love with this kurta and I didn't wear it. It is as well from Big Bazaar and it also costed 600 rupees. You may feel it's quite huge for a kurta, but after wearing it you will feel that it's worth of money. And if you're buying anything from Big Bazaar as kurti or if it is cotton, I will prefer you to take a size bigger than your original size, so that बाद में जब आप वो धोते हो तो वो shrink करके थोड़ा छोटा हो जाता है, तो इसीलिए बेटर होगा कि आप एक साइज बड़ा ले लें आपके. So the next kurta is this. It's not actually a kurta but it is a salwar suit, and it's having a detailing over here of gota patti, and also in the hand a work of gota patti is there. The borders are simple and plain of this kurta. This is actually a set with dupatta. This is the dupatta of it, and it's a pure cotton churidar set with straight pants and not patiala and not the shrinking pants. So it is also having a gota patti work in the dupatta, and the pant is just amazing guys, because I love these types of pants. Why I'm saying that the pant is amazing, because it's having an elastic and not a thread or something, because I am a girl who basically faces a lot of problem when to tie that thread over your waist, and कभी वो ढीला हो जाता है, कभी वो कुछ हो जाता है, कभी वो फंस जाता है, नहीं खुलता है. So for me it's best that it's having an elastic and also a work of gota patti in the borders of the pant all the down below. So this kurti was from Meesho and I'll give the picture over here. 700 for for this kurti with a pant dupatta set is amazing. And I already wore this and I have uploaded a picture in my Instagram. So when I wore this for the first time, it also got stringed after wash, but when I wore this for the first time, it felt like I'm wearing a night dress and not a salwar. Like, it's so comfortable and thoda sa bhi itchy nahi hai. You can wear it anywhere. Now this one, this is a simple plain kurti with a cut over here, and it is a bit flared, not so much but a bit flared, and it is having a nice thread detailing over the neck. It's sleeveless. The sleeves are also given inside. I got this kurti from Myntra because I liked it so much, and this color is like it attracts me so much. Which I bought from my mother, and it is a A-line kurta, and these are all printed works. But yeah, the design over here is not just a design, and it is containing hooks, so you can tie and open it. It's very cool for people, those who don't like necks till here. They can at least open it till here and then they can go anywhere. And it also has a pant. The pant is just mind-blowing because it's having a elastic at the back and only a cloth in the front. So the pant is basically this, and it's having all printed work all over the leg. It didn't cost me a lot and I got it from Amazon, and I'll give the price and the details over. So now comes the next kurti. It is this one, and it's amazing, guys. But like, you can crush it like this and just put it in your bag. See, it's just this much, and it's a whole dress and not having a pant with it. I got it from Brand Factory, and I can't give you any picture of this because. So this is the kurta. It is a design over here of buttons which is non-openable, and a thread over here which you can open and adjust as per yourself. And also they have given a cloth lining inside which is stitched. So basically this is a kurti dress which you can wear in parties and also in small functions, and also during you visit any puja pandals, and especially in Diwali. This kurti costed me around 850 for the whole, because Brand Factory, yes, it is quite costly, but I just love this kurta, so I said her to take it. So this has arrived today. It is from Meesho, and I just loved it. Now, so now this kurti, I guess it's out of stock, but still I give a picture and the details over here. So this is a kurta which is having a design like this on the neck till here, and the best thing is the hands. Oh my god, the hands are just love. It is flared hands, and I love it because it is not sticky. You'll not face problem that you have to pick it up always, and it's just amazing. The cloth is of rayon, not of cotton, but it's so comfortable. Like, आप कहीं भी इसे पहन के जा सकते हैं. And see, this is the thing. इसके साथ I also got a pant, and it's having an elastic. It's basically a palazzo pant. This is also of rayon, and it is also so soft, very soft, and very amazing things recently I'm getting from Meesho. This is the last but not the least, because I'll bring more kurti hauls for y'all. So this is a kurti. Basically आप बोल नहीं सकते हो कि चिकनकारी है, but cotton के ऊपर thread work है, and it's not a chicankari kurta. It is basically from Big Bazaar. ये sleeveless है, and it's having all over work of thread till the bottom, and the back side is plain. It's a bit transparent because you have to wear a small cloth inside, like अस्तर टाइप्स क्लॉथ, और जो लंबे रहते हैं इनर वेयर के लिए जो क्लॉथ्स, वो पहनना पड़ेगा आपको. इसके साथ you're getting hands in it. You can stitch if you are not comfortable wearing sleeveless. You can also stitch the hand, and ये मैंने अकेले लिया. It's not a pair, and this has costed me around 749 rupees. And now when I was shopping this kurti, I really found a match of it in Big Bazaar, and this is this nice Sarara pant. So it is also having a thread work all over, and a single leg is this much, means like this much, and it is having a clothing inside also. It is having a thread also by which you can tight it, and इसका घेर बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा है, and it काफ़ी thick है, thick in the sense not heavy, but thick in the sense you don't have to wear anything inside or feel uncomfortable like हाँ कुछ दिख रहा है and all something. So this has costed me around 1100. So this was all for the kurti haul. I have ordered some more and they are yet to come. So I hope you all liked this video, and if you all did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. So I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, enjoy, take care, be safe.